Hiccup is the involuntary contraction of the diaphragm. And the diaphragm is the muscle that separates the chest from the abdomen. These hiccups normally are self-limiting and don't last for more than 48 hours. And most of the common causes of hiccup are taking a large meal, carbonated beverages, sudden excitement, some drugs like steroids, emotional stress, swallowing air while chewing. Most people who chew on chewing gum. While common hiccups normally last not longer than 48 hours, or they go away within a few hours or just minutes. Some hiccups can actually last for more than that and can go in for even days or weeks. And in that case, you must make sure to see your doctor, because it could be a sign of a serious underlying condition. So make sure you see your doctor to rule out other causes in case you experienced that. So these are some of the simple remedies you can use to get rid of hiccups very, very fast. These are many tips, but you can choose the one that works for you faster. One, try breathing into a paper bag. Just like this. Make sure your nose and the mouth is fully covered by this bag. You can keep doing that for some minutes, and hiccups normally go away in a few seconds. Two, try holding your breath. You can take a deep breath and then you hold the breath before breathing out. Doing that for some minutes, actually hiccups normally go away. Another thing, you can try to sip on cold water very, very fast. It relaxes your body, and then there's how it relieves you of the hiccups. Tip number 4, hug your knees. This can be simply done by sitting on a leveled ground, and then you sit and bring your knees to the chest and hug them close to the chest. That move normally relaxes the diaphragm, and the hiccups normally go away very, very. Number 5, try to exhale while holding your breath and keeping your mouth closed. Normally what we call the Valsalva's maneuver. That move normally relaxes the body, and the hiccup normally goes away. Number 6, try pulling on your tongue. You hold the tongue at the tip and then try pulling it. Also takes away the hiccup. Number 8, press on the diaphragm. You can just press below the abdomen, below the chest here, and try pushing in like that. That relaxes the diaphragm also, and the hiccup normally goes away. Number 9, you can try to eat some sugar. You put some sugar in the mouth, and then you keep it there for some minutes before swallowing it. It also gets you rid of the hiccups. Lastly, you can actually get someone to scare you. That is the thing that normally works for me faster. Keep doing those tips, so trying one after the other, and you choose the one that works for you.